गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्।
കൊട്ടും ഞാൻ കേട്ടില്ല, കുഴലും ഞാൻ കേട്ടില്ല, ഇത്തിരി മുല്ല
Wow.
Thank you very much. So we hope and believe you enjoyed the Tiruvadira. Yes or no? Thank you very much. At this point, I would like to say a few words about our Tiruvadira. Basically, we have a small group. We call it as Kia Girls. I know some are frowning. Kia Girls? Is it ladies? But still, we're proud to say Kia Girls. But for some, unfortunately this time, due to some inevitable reasons, some of our girls couldn't make it because of some, as I said, inevitable reasons. So we thought, okay, for a change, why don't we do a multinational Tiruvadira? See, this is the team. We have multinational Tiruvadira. Kayla and Megan, they are from Ireland. They are students. Felda from Philippines. And we have Agi from Poland. I must say, the amount of hard work, the dedication, the passion and the interest towards the Indian dancing, it's unbelievable. Yes, it is amazing. They put lots of hard work in it. Though they are students, we're all working women. Anytime they're ready for the practice. So on behalf of Kia and from all of us, from our bottom of the heart, we sincerely thank you all girls. It was amazing. I have to really say it was amazing. Unbelievable, I have to. Thank you. And thank you for being the part of our culture and making this event so colorful. Thanks again.
Thank you, ladies.